It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know. Bengena bambazeleka i-Wi-Fi man, you understand? Plus nombane wasedeft wamasimba semazwe Eskom. Unpredictable. But we're back at it again. Like crack at it again. Siphethe Big Zulu. Sibuye ngebanger. Can't wait to hear this one. Big Zulu 200 bars. I drop here midnight. So I'm excited to hear this one, man. It's been a long time. The last time he was rapping 100 bars. The last time he had bars like that. You understand? Being 100 bars. So ndongamameleyo that much, but manje kudwela kakhulu man. Masingena straight to it. Big Zulu kupile 200 motherfucking bars. Let's get it.
Ayasibangene siyaliyona.
Engomkharimo lo. Hayi ngolo hlobo. Okay, we're sampling. Okay.
Ay, Kingi. Mkeni nkabi babamba mabonda babiza amathonga kwashimpepa yaphinde yakhonya yaphinde yahloma 303 isiphinde yakhoka ngivele ngibemfishano kwesiketi sikasisa uzodwa eseyikhalile yathi Zulu sebelele futhi sicela u200 banyakazise bathi ukuvuka futhi bagcwele iquantum kade sipush itex ayiduma ikushuthi hip hop istakile akekho udriver kulindwa inkabi kushuthi ithule nje hip hop ngapha ipiano liyakokota uZulu sesiphongweni ngapha amaphara yakhokhop sithule nje silale sizwa amaphara yakhonkotha tshela abantu sibavumile kanti jive is common.
The beat is banging. I don't wanna cap the beat. It's banging. The beat is banging. And make you usahamba nayo so far wama nayo. The lines that's betile so far it's like it's light. I'm still waiting to hear.
Vikela mbuso aphisandla ngibona iqupha kabi siphongi yasiphula icala inkabili yaqulwa ngiphatha isibhamu esine-camera waphoza umrepha ngiyamshutha vumani ngibagwebe isigwebo sentambo abafuna i-303 kuyomele ngibasonta intambo ngibulala amagoat anivume ngikhipha umhlahla i-industry igcwele izangoma ufuna i-beef kuzamathambo ebackfield
hip hop igcwele izangoma mawufuna i-beef kuzamathambo. Nice. I fuck with that word. Nice.
Sontintam ngibulala amagoat anivume ngikhipha umhlahla i-industry igcwele izangoma ufuna i-beef kuzamathambo ebackfield is no J Boo inkabe khule sidla ubu mfana okhule echama endlini mangena inkaba thule dusha insethu uhamba uduha sihlangana ngidla iglunga ngifune ephepheni le-matric ngu-front page ku-GQ. Okay, we rolling up empty the house like roll it up. Hip hop is turning up, young hustler keep it up. Isihlahla burn it up ezababhema zishe lapho.
Shout out to MT, man. I think that's like a shout out to MT. I don't know if it's a diss or shout out. Let me hear it.
Front page GQ. Okay, we rolling up empty the house like roll it up. Hip hop is turning up, young hustler keep it up. Isihlahla burn it up ezababhema zishe lapho ngishiya industry ngolile pick it up. Sige city swing kill beat lamapiano. Wongibuza kukabza haya mahlozi aphilayo. Ungangitsheli ngephara kuliglu ephathekayo. Ngilikhawule nganuka ngigeza izandla kwaPilato. Yakhala uDJ Tira uthi studio silahlekile ngizima ukusebenza nephara uthi lithini lingabhemile. Umkhubu usekhaya usibheka kuthi udidekile. Usakhala ngokuncane kuyoduka igate mawungabhekile. Uthi awunandaba nemali.
Kunzima usebenza nephara ngubani iphara? Kunzima usebenza nephara. Dangen, is that you? Dangen, is that you? Is Big Zulu taking a shot at Dangen? Maybe I'm just bugging, bro.
Sekile ngizima ukusebenza nephara uthi lithini lingabhemile. Umkhubu usekhaya usibheka kuthi udidekile. Usakhala ngokuncane kuyoduka igate mawungabhekile. Uthi awunandaba nemali. Awuzwi mene ngathi intombi elinda ukushelwa icareer imile ne. Wena ku level yami not in a millionaires. So ufila kanjani iphara lidiswa imillionaire. I-colleague DJ Tira namanje akakhiphile. Silinda u200 angithi na 2 years umsizile. Siyacela ubaphinde ama-bookings ayafilile. Anithi ngivusa ipoko zami angithi zonke iphuphile. Ushuni bazoshuka
Dangen.
uma ngishintsha iflow bazobhukuda ubhekane nenkabi ikhakha ilizofukuza izulu uzoduduma ngene inkapa zosukuma ngokuboshelwa drink and drive ususibiza umakhulu uzakwe wakufaka egemini wathi ungaduma wamjikela ingoma eyodwa itsikitsiki yathi ngaphupha wajikela
Lichilo ngodangeni. Lichilo ngodangeni.
iflow bazobhukuda ubhekane nenkabi ikhakha ilizofukuza izulu uzoduduma ngene inkapa zosukuma ngokuboshelwa drink and drive ususibiza umakhulu uzakwe wakufaka egemini wathi ungaduma wamjikela ingoma eyodwa itsikitsiki yathi ngaphupha wajikela sengizwela umalume imali e-Afri yaphelele kunzima ukuwinisama umi-artist libandela yakhumbula squawise uthi uzama ukuxolisa wazi waguqa ngamadola bapha babekukhohlisa kwakumele kuphonsa impama umakoti wakhe ngamhlonipha ngamagangsta ku-social media masihlangana niyaxolisa sekusele kancane iphara ngilifaka idindile mali ngibona liyafriza ngathi ngilikhombe ngepistini yakhala u-DJ Tira uthi usayini isidididi unetshiskopo oduse afro ngizima nokufaka isingini ayi nawe yimawo ngibulala abafana bami bhili amanzi khuphukile ngiswenka complain umasipala ngishiya i-hip hop ingcolile ngithe sirapha namaphara ayisekonakele bafana nazizi zigi inkabi dili kukhahlamba lapha emayikhini nganifit hayi mina ningishifti lo mlilo wena wongishisa soze simbanga uzulu noboy uyazi uba no beat nina ngathi niyakhohlwa 7 award in one night ngabreak irecord ese-hip hop mani ngazi manje sipushushuni inkabi ari yenza imali hlale kakhulu underground yasikho isidumbu esingangazi bafana nginisabi ngiwuzulu ngifele empini ngeke ningivume nisaphila nongivuma kwacima umshini inkabi ifela kubo ku-200 ngiphethe ipiki kugema soze safana noma singaba ku-Major League Stocky T niyakhohlisana nobhululu ukuthi ungcono ngidlula abani isilungu sikudyakwa kakhulu ngidinga i-dictionary wena mawurapha ngoba ngibuze only tumo othule tu yilona ongesena volume Stocky visi zakho mshoba ngayi
Stocky T. Stocky T catching strays. Not even strays. Direct this to Stocky T. Do me the volume. Do me in the volume. Big Zulu. Big Zulu phela wabuza uqala uchuku again.
Ithi niyakhohlisana nobhululu ukuthi ungcono ngidlula abani isilungu sikudyakwa kakhulu ngidinga i-dictionary wena mawurapha ngoba ngibuze only tumo othule tu yilona ongesena volume Stocky visi zakho mshoba ngayifuna abaningi wakubulala naku-roots impande zakho seboxing ngikhathi
Whoa. That's a big one. Uzake wambulala uStocky T ku-roots. It's not make sure. Stocky T wabulawa nguzakwe ku-roots. Maybe I'm just bugging dog. Cela comment ephaizansi. Uthethe nyana umjista because I think the dude is bugging now, bro.
na volume Stocky visi zakho mshoba ngayifuna abaningi wakubulala naku-roots impande zakho seboxing ngikhatha ama-OG okay ake ngena stikini yisitayela sakho s-empty yangakuhlula by any means uCasper wathi ngishaya
Style sakho empty angakuhlula by any means. Stocky T featuring MT by any means. So if that one is over your head, I just explained it for you.
litumo thule tu yilona ongesena volume Stocky visi zakho mshoba ngayifuna abaningi wakubulala naku-roots impande zakho seboxing ngikhatha ama-OG okay ake ngena stikini yisitayela sakho s-empty yangakuhlula by any means uCasper wathi ngishaya abafazi ku-boxing uyabaleka kushuthi naye umfazi uthi punch lamani naphawu manje ubalekelani ngisha ngephandle load shedding stage 6 kucima ibanga inkabi mephambi kweni shaya isifuba take a shot ngeke ngibiza amagama omrapper going through a lot ibeef idliwe ihlaza sinasikhathi sokushisa amaphotha nayo i-order yama-hit kuthi ndeliver takes a lot ngakhipha u-150 yonke i-SA iyajabula shout out to Skanda God ngoba nesete yavuka ongomoya yona iphara lavelela ngithuka masihlangana liyabaleka ngithi namanje lisathuka MT uthi uzula kana hit dakomuthi omkhuhlane unebhabhalazi lelini ngathi awukazi uwinisama phela ubanda mpo wayigcine ambitious hit zathi ngine-apartheid nginika itest e-avocado
Kuqale bengathi emncomo hustler and now it's like hey Big Zulu Big Zulu don't want. Everyone is catching smoke now.
Uthuzula kana hit dakomuthi omkhuhlane unebhabhala silelini ngathi awukazi uwina isama phela ubanda mpo wayigcine ambitious hit zathi ngine apartheid nginika itest avocado angijiving efuba dos ku rap ngiqopha umlando entry nge3
They hit me with the avocado, man. You can taste the avocado. They hit me with the avocado, man. Mom, I just got hit.
bayigcine ambitious hit zathi ngine apartheid nginika itest avocado angijiving efuba dos ku rap ngiqopha umlando entry nge325 ngilokhu sidlalela umakhado wena idlozi liyahlatshela wagcina ihit ngomanando namanje ngihip hop kade ngaba yiMC ngidrop ama16 eranking ngibhalele taxini yakwendlala nencika ngizima ukubamba iKFC yini ikhadi liya decline iATM iMT ninani ngidlela umona futhi niyashesha nokukhohlwa bebethi niyashisa hawu niyashesha nokuphola niyashesha nokuphoma kubhifu niyashesha nokunona ukuba ukuhlanya kuyabhatala ngabe nani senanotha bafana ngintshele kimi ngithinte kapha
Big Zulu.
nokukhohlwa bebethi niyashisa hawu niyashesha nokuphola niyashesha nokuphoma kubhifu niyashesha nokunona ukuba ukuhlanya kuyabhatala ngabe nani senanotha bafana ngintshele kimi ngithinte kaphambatha umfana mayeza ngobuso ukhishwe emnyango simpambatha sengilunge kakhulu oscriba biz bayadanasa bathi nsweet ngcwele inyongo yiki rap isaniphalasa RIP Super Mega hi rap ngisayiteta
RIP Super Mega. RIP to the GOAT. Kenan Forbes.
mayeza ngobuso ukhishwe emnyango simpambatha sengilunge kakhulu oscriba biz bayadanasa bathi nsweet ngcwele inyongo yiki rap isaniphalasa RIP Super Mega hi rap ngisayiteta ungikhonzele ku Ricky Baba Pro kanye no Jeb ubatele ngisa rap abanye basa trap for form masihlalisana hip hop iphethe umageza gabi ngcolisa istrata ekhoneni lasesiphaza siyabuya hip hop no Casper selaba ipasta hayikona kuyaxaka gabi insimbi yayibamba ngena ngiphume behind bars ku hip hop amthabo pastor
No Casper sewaba ngipasta. Megu, he's a born again, you know what I mean? So if you ain't know, but I'm sure you know by now.
Casper selaba ipasta hayikona kuyaxaka gabi insimbi yayibamba ngena ngiphume behind bars ku hip hop amthabo pastor
Big Zulu back at it, 200 motherfucking bars for y'all, man. Yabo. And Big Zulu uyathanda ubuya like igame nxa ngathi iyabanda and then afika aspark umlilo cause I think we needed this, yabo. As much as beef sometimes abantu abaninzi bazithatha personal, you know what I mean, and then bafake nefamily ngaphakathi and then it end up escalated to something we don't want to see, you understand? The way this is sport, you understand? Penmanship, you understand? It's a sport. Let's just sivana manje making untswembu nam ntswembu. So why not get in the booth and then sivana manje? Ingabi escalating about kwale way fanba yiyo, you understand? So I think umjita uyayibona igame yabanda, so he's trying to revive it back again. So angasamajita adlale along, you know what I mean? Asifuna igazi, sifuna nje bars. He just gave us 200 bars. Come on, man. What more do you want? Salute to hip hop, salute to 50 years of hip hop, salute to Big Zulu for bringing it back again in Mzansi, because we needed this. Because Amapiano, yeah, all over. But shout out to Amapiano, but hip hop for life, man. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think of this 100 bars. 2 motherfucking 100 bars. Salute!